What's up, everyone? I'm Trey Fox, and welcome back to Kindergarten 2. I can't do Five Nights at Freddy's. Not right now. I tried. I did. I tried. So we're just gonna go back to Kindergarten 2. We're gonna do the mission I failed to record for. Tuesday again. Oh yeah. I'm Cindy. I'm taking this just because. I don't know why I need to put those, but I saw those, so I'm taking this. We're going to do The Tale of Two Janitors. I know for some of you people, ADHD like I do, or OCD, whichever one it is, whichever one I have that it is, you'd want me to do the first one, the second one, the third one, but I already did the janitor one, and the recording stuff screwed up. So filthy. Absolutely filthy. What is...
Are you blind? Look at this place. That other no-name janitor over there has really let this place go to the crap.
You don't know his name yet?
What? No.
I guess I should.
I guess I should learn it if I'm going to draw up a... Kid, go find out his name for me. Now.
Hey, jeez. He's so mean.
Hey there, kiddo. I'm your friendly school janitor.
What's your name?
Oh, well, rude of me. I'm Bob. Most of the kids are around here just refer to me as the janitor. Anyway, the janitor anyway. You can call me that too if you like.
My boy. I'm better than you. I pull off this dress better than you. Yeah.
What's his name? Come on, I got a declaration to draw up.
It's Bob. I'm looking at the camera and sometimes it looks like it's falling back behind. I still have Laffy Taffy from a while ago, so the snack of the day is Laffy Taffy. Oh, and Twix cookie dough.
So my nemesis has a name.
Do you have a name?
What? No. I lost it in the war.
How do you lose your name?
War changes a man. You wouldn't understand.
Which war?
The best one.
Which war is that?
The one I was in. Haven't you been paying attention? Do you have a name?
Toy Foxy.
That's what I thought, so let's stick to the guy whose name we do know.
What are you gonna do to him?
What the janitor's code of honor says I should do.
Which is?
I'm going to kill him and take his mop.
Seriously?
You bet. Take this declaration of war and bring it to Bob. Return to me when it's done. This'll be one for the history books.
I guess we'll do.
Hello again, little buddy. What's going on?
The other janitor wanted me to give you this.
Oh, thanks. I'll read it when I get inside. Go ahead and tell him you delivered it. I'm really looking forward to working with it.
I doubt that.
Has it been delivered? Is war upon us?
Yeah.
Excellent. My attack will be swift and sneaky. As soon as he's alone, his mop is as good as mine. I'll be sharpening my mop in the boys' room.
Is that a euphemism? Have fun with that.
That's the bell. Everyone head inside to your assigned classrooms.
What class?
Okay, kids, teacher has a headache. So we're going to be very quiet.
Why is she disheveled?
We're going to be very quiet. It looks like this school has more funding than the last one. Since there are more actually toys. Go play. Just please be quiet.
I'm better than you. And I'm better than you, too.
What do you want? I'm busy trying to figure out how to get my knife back.
Probably best he doesn't have it.
What am I supposed to do? Look, what do you want?
Never mind. Jeez, rude.
My dad drives a car just like a car like this. He said that when he dies, my twin brother Felix gets to have it.
That's sad, Ted.
That Destructron was the best toy in the toy box. My friends and I used to play with him all the time before you new kids showed up. You new kids came in.
That's too bad, Ozzy.
I just love this doll. She's so pretty, just like me.
It's great, Cindy. Oh, I should probably go to the janitor's closet. Wait, I'm gonna go to the janitor's closet.
Hey, you can't leave. I'm responsible for you little monsters.
I need to use the bathroom.
Well, too bad. I don't have a bathroom pass for this new school. Yet you'll just have to hold it.
You don't look like you could stop me.
I can't still give you study hall. Apparently that's a punishment for stuff here. Go ahead.
Ugh.
God, Nugget. My boy. My beautiful. Bloody boy.
Oh, hello there. Lovely weather we are having. Nugget likes the weather.
Okay, Nugget.
Oh, good you're here.
You're happy to see me?
It's a weird feeling for me, too. I need your help, or else I'm fighting a losing battle here.
What now?
Bob is currently hiding like a coward upstairs. Since my hip is made of glass, I can't make it up those stairs.
What do you want me to do about it?
I need a key in to that elevator. I'm sure that little black market cripple has one.
You're the one who crippled. Oh yeah, he crippled Monty in the last game.
And I'll do it again if that invalid doesn't give you that key. Tell him that and see if he'll give it up. He's in that special smart class upstairs.
Okay. Hold up, new kid. You're only allowed to use the bathroom, nothing else. So, I'm allowed without a pass? Only until we can distribute passbooks to the new kids. You either go to the bathroom, or you back upstairs. Passbook. Use passbooks instead of traditional passes here, unless it's a special occasion. They'll be distributed soon. Thanks for the info. Now stop dawdling and get back to class. I need to go upstairs. Too bad. Unless an adult says so, you aren't allowed up there. You need to go to the bathroom or back to class, no exceptions. But the janitor...
If the janitor wants you to go upstairs, you can come and tell me himself.
It's your funeral. Janitor!
Did you get that key?
The hall monitor stopped me.
That grimy little power hungry. Come with me. Hey, alright, you giving my little errand boy trouble.
Rules are rules, Mr. Janitor. If you want him to go upstairs, you just have to...
I guess I could just beat you like I did the other kid. Then you would have an elevator key.
Excuse me?
I said I could beat you till they give you an elevator key. Hey, other hall monitor.
Yeah, man, what's... Whoa, jeez, you totally wrecked Stevie.
And I'll do the same to you if you even think about stopping this kid from helping me out today. Got it?
No problemo, do whatever you want, kid.
There, it's taken care of. Go get me that key, I'll be waiting by the elevator.
Okay then. Leave Stevie alone. Oh, look, I got his outfit. So I guess if you find a dead body, you get their outfit. You do whatever you gotta do, man. Getting you in trouble isn't worth getting beat to death with a mop. Good call. Hi, Bob.
Oh, hey, kid, that letter you gave me this morning, it was a joke, right? You wrote that yourself, right?
I can't read or write.
Oh no, that's pretty scary, but some strong words can't work out. I'm sure it's just a misunderstanding. We can talk this out like adults.
Good luck with that. Oh.
Good news, it was just a silly misunderstanding. We're gonna do great work together.
I'm sure you will.
Here's a Monstermon card.
Oh, I got a Monstermon card!
Here's a Monstermon card for helping me work this out. And remember, it's always good to use your words.
Great morale, Bob. I thought I was gonna get beat by the other janitor. There's a couch in here. Why is there a couch in here? The legends are true. There is a couch in the girls' bathroom. There's a Monstermon card between the cushions. Two Monstermon cards. Chair of Spikes. Chair of Spikes. Ow. That's a leg. My camera's in the way, but there's a leg right there, and a fish tank. What is that? Is that a dolphin? Or...
What? You're not supposed to be in here. You're a stupid kid.
Do you have a key to the elevator? What time is it? It's 12:32.
Of course I do. How do you think I got up here?
The janitor wants it.
You nice janitor?
The other one.
Yeah. Just bring it back when you're done with it. I can't get down without it.
I'll try.
What are you doing here? You're not gifted in any way. Get out. Out, I say.
Okay, God, jeez. Rude.
Well, where's the key to this thing?
Here.
Hold on, kid. Here's a walkie-talkie. I'll be in touch.
Great.
It is great. I'll let you know how the mission goes. We ride to war!
Let him ride to war.
Go to class. Go to lunch.
I don't think you can make me
Please go.
honor the wishes of a dying child.
Oh.
There we go. I need to lay down.
Hey, kid, Come in, kid.
What now?
Things got a little, sticky.
I'm at lunch.
Yeah, well, it'll be your last meal if you don't get up here right now.
I don't think I'm allowed to leave.
Oh, one of the new kids in there must have a way to get you out. Get up here now or I'll have another body to clean up.
Hey, geez. I'm guessing you're the one that can help. Hey, new kid, how are you liking the food? Oh. Just put my arm on the charging box for my laptop. Looking to cause some trouble, eh? I could draw the lunch lady's eye away from the door for a fee. That's all my money. You got it, kid. This won't last long. So get out while you can. Got it. Hey, Miss Margaret. Look at me.
Please, child, settle down or return to your seat immediately.
Hey, oh, it's you. Yeah, I guess I'll let you by so I don't end up like Stevie. It's for the best. Look, it's Monty. Monty, what's up?
Hey kid, what the heck is wrong with you?
What are you doing up here?
You took my elevator key. I can't get down to lunch without it. Where is it?
The janitor still has it.
Okay, that's it. I've had enough of you and him working together. This ends now.
It does? You died. Monty is pretty bitter about being left upstairs. Don't get too close to him, man. He'll leave you alone. Hey. Whoa! It looks like he's smiling, but I don't think that's the curve in his smile. I think that's just blood. He's just neutral-faced.
Finally, jeez, kid, you move slower than a kid who was knocked out of a tree under suspicious circumstances.
I'm here, what do you want?
Well, in case you hadn't noticed, I won the war.
Congratulations?
I appreciate the support I've had from my allies. That's you, kid, which means we're going to have to clean this up together.
Clean up?
Well, yes, I'm the only janitor. It would be nice to have some help around here.
You just killed your help.
That's not true. You're my help now, although there's still time for me to kill my help, so keep that in mind.
Okay, so what do we do?
I'm gonna get started mopping up this blood. You run down to the weapons closet and give me something to slice up old Bobo here.
Weapons closet?
Yeah, a place where we janitors store our weapons. It's in the boys' room.
You're going to slice him up?
Of course, look at him. He's a big boy. Normally I don't deal with big ones because it's harder to remove the bodies. So go find me a cleaver or chainsaw or something.
Okay, I guess.
Here's the key, old Bobo here is learning how to share now that I've won the war.
I'll be back.
Goodness, I'm going to have to check into rehab at this. Nope, nope, nobody. Nope, 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 nope.
Poor Bob, he deserves so much better than this. I'm a monster. I got his outfit at least. Da la da 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 da. This is the door to the janitor's closet. Unlock the door. These weapons are way too big for me to carry. The axe looks like it's been used recently. Can't grab anything from in here. This is the janitor's cleaning cart. It looks like there's a Monster Mart card in the wastebasket. Take the Monster Mart card. There's a chainsaw and a shovel on the shelf. Take the chainsaw. He did mention a chainsaw. What is this? What is this? This vat is giving off some dizzying fumes. It's hooked up to a tube that seems to be running to the cafeteria. What? Why is it running to the cafeteria? Is it like that one in the first game? Wiping off my mousepad or laptop mousepad. Send me to the main page. But is it like that one thing from the where we kill the principal in the last game that the slop is coming out of the monsters?
Ugh. About time, what did you get me?
A chainsaw.
Perfect. Let's get slicing.
Poor Bob.
Well, looks like you got a skedaddle. I'll be in touch.
Can't wait.
Oh, before you go, here, take his head. You've earned it.
Great.
Now let's get you to study hall.
Okay.
Well, well, well. Look at all the bad children. I expect you all to behave until recess is over. Please take this time to reflect on how to be less awful in the future. There is to be no talking or moving until the bell rings. Is that clear?
Crystal, sir.
I said no talking.
Wait, what? No moving or talking in study hall. Now would be a good time to eat an apple. Now you tell me.
Well, well, well. Look at all the bad children. I expect you to all behave until... Clever bunch. We'll see if that lasts. Ugh, the coffee I had during lunch is running right through me. I'll be back in a moment. Do not move or talk while I'm gone.
Hey, kid. Come in, kid. We've got a problem. Where are you?
In study hall.
You gotta hide that head right now. Find a garbage can and chuck it. There's one in the mess hall.
What are you talking about?
It's that little Penny girl. She's been following you all day. You gotta hide that head and stop her from getting up here.
How do you know that?
Some kid in a hoodie just came up here and dropped an envelope on the floor. He had pictures and everything. She's been following you, kid.
What do I do after I throw out the head?
See if there's some way to trip her on the stairs and on your way to the can. Get her to fall. Get her to fall and break her head open.
How do I trip her?
You're not in that stupid class, right? Maybe one of those toys will do the trick.
See what I can do. There are a couple of toys in here. There's a doll and a toy car. Toy car! Toy car on the stairs. Should I place the toy car here? Yes. This is the garbage can. It smells bad. Throw away the head.
Oh, look who it is. You're not supposed to be out of study hall. What are you doing here?
Looking for the janitor?
Oh, really? I was actually looking for him myself. You wouldn't happen to know where he is.
He's upstairs.
Thank you for telling me. Now go on back to study hall. I wouldn't want you to get in trouble.
Okay then.
I just heard what I can only assume is an evil little girl falling down the stairs.
It would seem so.
Good work, kid. You remind me of me when I was your age.
You mean before the war?
What war, boy? What war? Boy, you are talking some nonsense.
Never mind.
Now get back to that study hall place. That mad scientist-looking fellow probably doesn't like it when students escape from him.
Good idea. There's a pool of green goo here. It leads towards the elevator. There's a solid glob of it on the floor. It takes an apple to take the glob. I can't do that right now. What happens if...
And if I ever catch you smoking in the school again, what are you doing out of study hall? You weren't supposed to move or talk. Oops, accidents happen, I suppose, like the one that's about to happen. Uh-oh.
Dr. Danner is in the bathroom. You shouldn't go there. I like how you could see Nugget's blood all over.
My apologies. Good to see you're all behaving. Ah, there's the bell. Anyone who pays their lab fee can come with me to science. Otherwise, head over to the gym.
Go to the gym.
My life is ruined. It can't actually get worse.
So what are we doing here?
Trying our best not to look like me in 30 years. Go run laps or bounce that orange ball or something.
I guess we could do that.
I'm gonna go stand over there and try to keep the room from spinning.
I wouldn't expect anything less.
Hey, kid. Come in, kid.
What now?
We're almost home free. I just need a little help with some of the heavy lifting.
You want me to carry out Bob's body?
Oh no, he's much too heavy for you, too heavy for a small, worthless child like you. I need you to carry out that power-hungry homeowner I tenderized this morning.
It's not really my specialty.
So you want to carry Bob? Instead, fine by me.
I'll take Stevie.
Good, I left him in the weapons closet. Maybe out by those dumpsters beyond the playground and we'll toss them in together.
If I must.
Hey, you little weasel. You're required by law to play. Now go play.
I have to go to the bathroom.
Then be in the water fountain. We're not leaving this gym.
Gross.
Hey, let go. Shoot some free throws.
Get in line, new kid. This basketball is mine.
Help Carla grab the ball.
Okay, who did it? Who threw that ball?
It was this Jerome kid. He tried to take the ball from me, and when I tried to get it back, he just threw it in your direction.
What? That's a lie. This kid came over and helped her snatch it out of my hands. It went flying then when they made me let go.
Both of you, shut up! It really happened.
Carla's telling the truth.
That's what I thought. Jerome, do you know how bad my head hurts right now?
Not more than that waistband on those shorts, I'm guessing. Oh!
Oh, he torched your ass. Anyways.
Okay, now I'm mad.
Ow, hey, stop!
My camera's falling back.
Screw this, I'm out of here.
I'm back here. This is making me feel better.
Good work, kid. I appreciate the help. You think fast on your feet.
No problem. Da 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 da. La 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 la. Alright, in the weapons closet. This bag looks like it could fit Stevie in it. Take the bag. It's getting really hard to breathe in here. I'm not sure how much longer it can last. Okay. A little poison apple. La la da. I'm gonna take this up now. Da da. That looks weird. Da 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 da. I know we found the green flower here last time.
Finally, you had me worried, kid. No way I'd be able to move all these poor corpses by myself.
Yeah, this is great.
You did bring the body, right?
Yep.
Good, now we just need to toss them into the dumpster and this is all over.
Good.
What the? It's locked. Who locks the dumpster? We gotta get it open somehow. We need... Hey kid, did you hear that? Or are the voices in my head getting a little too vocal again?
I heard it too.
Huh. I think someone is in there. We gotta get them to come out. Any ideas?
I'll think of something. It's a dumpster. It sounds like someone is laughing inside.
Who's banging on my dumpster?
Oh, great, a dumpster woman. Everything was going so well.
What do you nice people want? Do you want to give me some food?
We just need to use the dumpster, you old hag.
Well, there will be a price to pay. I need something more special than food.
What do you need?
I'm running out of this delicious green drink. You wouldn't happen to have any green goo on you that Pettigrew normally has some?
Well, now that you mention it,
Why would we have any of that? That's gross.
I actually have some.
Oh, delightful. Go right ahead and dump whatever suspicious items you need to.
Thanks, Dumpster Hag.
My pleasure. You boys have a nice day.
Yeah. Well done, kid. Looks like we're gonna get away with this.
I'm thrilled.
There's the bell. Looks like it's time for you to go home, my little apprentice. Go ahead, leave the body here. I'll do the rest.
Am I even walking?
Hey, kid, wait up. You almost missed you.
Don't kill me.
Yeah, I ain't gonna kill you. Well, not today, at least.
So what do you want?
For your dedicated service today, I would like to bestow upon you the spoils of war.
What are you talking about?
I got some good stuff off of Bobo's body. Some cash, a watch, some kind of medication, and this.
What is it?
It's a tool belt. I don't fix nothing around here anyway. You could also have this thing from that silly card game you kids play. Little guy kinda looks like me.
Thanks, I guess.
Now scat. If a parent sees me talking to a child, I'm going back to prison.
Why do you work at a school? Yeah, now's a good time to leave. Mr. Nice Guy. Cherub spikes. Bucket of water. Lamb with cleaver. Tuesday. Again. Times 2. Cindy, this is what you're gonna look like when you're older. Bucket of water. Look at his cute face. Wait. It devolves into a regular bucket when he tips over. Chair of spikes. It's still more comfortable than most chairs in school. Put on the beach during low tide. It refused to die when the water came. He works 60-hour weeks and has a messy roommate. Lamb with cleaver. This is one lamb worth silencing. Mr. Nice Guy. He's a nice guy capable of wooing my lady. Well, thank you all for watching another episode of Kindergarten 2. We got Bob's tool belt. And I'm hoping you don't have to subscribe. I'm just hoping that I get 30 subscribers by like January 1st. And it is November 10th at 12:57. So, whatever. If you want to, you can. Don't want to, don't have to. That's the great thing about subscribing. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Have a lovely Sunday. Bye-bye.